So welcome to the next phase of our campaign designing. After the completion of first phase of our campaign designing, now we are ready to move to the second phase. Believe me, this phase is going to be very interesting. In this phase, we will design the ad groups. So let us start. So after successfully saving the campaign settings, now we are in the second phase of search campaign designing. You can see here, we have to now create the ad groups. I hope you remember in the campaign structure what are the ad groups. In ad account structure, this is the third layer, and under each campaign we can create multiple ad groups depending upon our product and services. An ad group may contain one or more than one ads. The two most important things that we have to set at this level are maximum bid amount and the keywords. To create an ad group, give any name to it, like MBA Marketing is my first ad group. Set the maximum bid amount. As I said, there is no hard and fast rule of setting the maximum bid. You can start on trial basis. After looking at your performance, you can increase or decrease the maximum bid amount at any time when your campaign will be active. This is the place about which I was talking in the previous modules. In case of Google Ads, you have to set few keywords and your ad will be triggered if someone searches for these keywords at various search network of Google like Google search engine or Google Map. There are three different ways to add the keywords. The first one is manual. If you already know about your keywords for an ad, then you can simply type those keywords here as one keyword per line. Notice, on the right hand side, Google will predict on the basis of its own algorithm that how your campaign will perform on these keywords and budget. Like how many clicks per day you will get, what will be the average CPC, that means cost per click, and the cost per day. Hope you remember I discussed with you the types of various keyword match. The keyword match help an advertiser to narrow down the target audience. This is the place where you can define various keyword match like broad match, phrase match, and exact match by using different symbols. So I am not using any symbol before any keyword here. It means that it's a broad match. The second way to add the keyword is pick those keywords as listed by the keyword planner based on the content of your website. See here, on the basis of my home page of the website dmook.in, Google has suggested me so many keywords along with the search frequency. Just click on plus sign and this keyword will be added to the keyword list. Keep on adding the keywords and you can see on my right hand side estimates change for every keyword. Google also suggests you increase your budget to have more clicks. Don't increase your budget at this stage. First, let us complete our campaign. The third way to add the keyword is you can get keyword ideas simply typing your product and services or any other keywords as we did it in Keyword Planner. You can see so many keywords have been suggested by the Google Keyword Planner. You can also click on Add All to add all the keywords to your campaign. But I will suggest you to start with just 10 to 15 keywords initially. Then based on the performance of each keyword, you can add or drop keywords at any time from the list. So we have created our first ad group. Let us create the second ad group. The process is similar and I am showing it in the fast mode. Let me make my first keyword as a phrase match by putting it in quotes. Let me quickly create the third ad group. Finally, save and continue. So finally, we have reached to the place where we will create our text ads. So this was the process of creating the ad groups. I would like to reiterate here that you can create the multiple ad groups in each campaign, and you have to set your bid amount at each group level if you have selected the manual CPC. You must be surprising that so far we haven't created any ad. Just wait for that. In the next video, we are going to create the multiple ads in various ad groups.